Hi guys, welcome to another video, and in this video you will be learning about transformations of function graphs. In this video we'll be seeing something about horizontal shift. So the first thing you need to remember, or the first thing you need to know, is that the general form of the horizontal shift is this one, the one you have right here. That one is the general form, which means that if you have a function f of x and then you have plus minus h, this one stands for because many times we have real numbers and we use real numbers actually, and the value of h could be either positive or negative number. So don't forget that the value of h could be any real number, and the value of h is named parameter. Don't forget this name. The value of h is named parameter, and that parameter tells us the number of units we move the graph to the right or to the left. So for instance, we have the function y equals x squared. If you remember, this one is a parabola or the quadratic function, and this function has this shape. The one is a parabola, and that one is the shape you have to keep in mind. So now, what if we have something like this? X plus 1 squared. The one we have right now is a quadratic function, but this function has plus 1. And don't forget that the value of plus 1 is h, which is the parameter. Just don't forget that the value of h is positive, like the one I have right here. We move the graph to the left the number of units. So the final graph will be something like this. If you have plus, that one is -1, and the graph keeps the shape. So it is the same thing. But what if you have this another function, x minus 1 to the second power? So don't forget that the function is the same, the quadratic function. But don't forget that we have to move the graph the number of units of the number you have inside. So the parameter now is -1. So which means that if you move the graph, we move it 1 unit to the right. So the new graph will be something like this. Just don't forget this one, that if you have the general form of this transformation, we move the graph to the left or to the right. So now I just want to say that thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and don't forget, con todo.